You want to win this and this? Keep watching for your chance to win these super clean, tough task cleaner degreaser products, courtesy of the great people at Super Clean. Hello, David here. Welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. In a recent video, I tested out some of these super clean degreaser products that they sent me. This stuff cleaned my clogged baked up carving burrs and router bits really well, along with my kitchen oven. Super Clean does a really good job dissolving grease and grime, making cleaning a lot more easier. If you haven't checked out my video that I did, I'll have it pop up right here. I also have it in the link in the description below. Okay, now how do I win, you ask? Of course, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bell. That way you know of future video releases and when I post the video of the winner. Alright, so to win, first you have to have a US address. Prize will only be shipped to a United States mailing address. Sorry guys, not in the US. Second, in the comment box below, say I want to win from the state of, and put your state you live in, then USA. Simple enough. So the contest will end May 14th, 2021. So I'll pick a random winner in a video in that following week, and we'll have the details on claiming the prize. Okay guys and gals, thanks for watching. Check out these videos. Don't forget to check out Super Clean. You can check out their website, check out their YouTube channel. I'll leave all those links in the description. So good luck, and I'll catch you later.